What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Virginia, Ashland, Virginia to be exact, and this is our second to last event of the year for shows. This is C10 Dominion Rally, first year event. Looking forward to it. A guy named Zach owns it, putting it on. It's at the Bass Pro Shop in Ashland. So it should be a pretty good little turnout. Like I said, first year show, so maybe like 100 or 200 trucks. We'll see. Hopefully they get a good turnout like that. I'm looking forward to it. We're set up as a vendor, so I have a separate video coming out from my experience as a vendor at a first year event like this, but it's close by the house. It took me 2 hours to get here. It's like 130 miles. I'll walk around in a little bit, show you guys all the trucks. I hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, hit that subscribe button down below and keep on trucking with me.